Tired of wasting hours on hold with customer service? Whether it's canceling a subscription, disputing a fee, or chasing a refund, it often feels designed to test your patience. Meet Pine AI, your AI-powered customer service assistant. Pine handles the headaches for you: billing issues, cancellations, disputes, and refunds, all without the endless wait times. But that's just the start. Pine negotiates lower bills, challenges unfair charges, claims flight compensation, appeals insurance denials, reduces medical costs, and cancels unwanted subscriptions. So you don't have to. Pine AI, less hassle, more results. Pine AI keeps your data private and encrypted, using only the essentials with your approval. You explain the issue, Pine builds a strategy, solves it, and reports back. Pricing is fair, no success, no charge. Thousands already trust Pine, and you can try it free by signing up with Google or email. Here we are on the Pine dashboard. In the center, you'll find the text box where you can type any task you want Pine to handle. Just below, there's an option to upload supporting documents if needed. On the side, you can explore Pine's full range of features, from lowering bills and managing refunds to handling disputes and more. Let's walk through a quick example to see it in action. I uploaded my internet bill and asked Pine to dispute an unexpected late fee. As soon as the file was submitted, Pine began analyzing the document. Within moments, it reviewed the bill and prepared the next steps to help resolve the issue. After analyzing the file, Pine asked me for a few basic details: customer name, account number, address and phone number, etc. I quickly filled out the fields and hit submit. Pine then generated a clear summary for me to review. With one click on "Looks good, let's go," I confirmed the details and the process moved forward. At this point, Pine began processing my request in the background. Shortly after, I received a confirmation message. I've got all the right info to get this sorted. I'm all set to contact Fastnet Solutions and tell them to ditch that late fee. Here we go. The system will just ask you to confirm the service fee, and then I'll be on my way. Let's do this. It was reassuring to know my request was already being taken care of. The entire process is fully autonomous. You just explain the task, and Pine AI takes care of the rest with real-world results. Pine uses a results-based pricing model. No success, no charge. You can even set a custom tip amount up front based on how valuable the outcome is to you. All payments are secure. Pine places a temporary hold before starting, but you're only charged once the job is successfully completed. Pine works directly with providers to take the pain out of everyday financial and service issues. It makes sure your internet, cable, and phone bills are accurate. And if there are errors or unauthorized charges, Pine disputes them instantly. It can also lower your credit card costs by requesting annual fee waivers or negotiating better rates. For travelers, Pine files compensation, claims for delays and overbooked flights. With insurance, it appeals denied claims and helps reduce premiums. In healthcare, Pine negotiates with hospitals and labs to cut down medical bills. It can even handle appointments with public agencies, making things like passport renewals or license updates quick and easy. And for your everyday services, Pine requests refunds, cancels unwanted subscriptions, and ensures you never overpay. Pine is your all-in-one problem solver. Simple, secure, and stress-free, so you can focus on what matters. Getting started is free. Sign up today and let Pine handle the rest. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips and guides on how Pine can simplify your everyday life.